bullies or harassment. So that will not stand. All right, gentlemen. Hopefully, everyone's having a great week. I know I am. It's a beautiful day here in the Midwest. It's a 80 degrees right now. It should be in the 50s. So yeah, it's beautiful. I'm enjoying it. But yeah, that's enough of the pleasantry and small talks. We got that out of the way. This video doesn't deserve that or warrant any of that. I made a video 2 weeks ago about these things, these deadly, deadly, sinful devices, the Bofeng ham radios. And I kind of made that video a little bit tongue in cheek, made a couple jokes in there about the ham radio community. And boy, the comments on that video proved me correct, proved me right. I kind of got into this hobby just a few weeks ago. I would even call it a hobby, uh, just as an emergency way to communicate if need be, or to hear things going on. I was in the fourth grade in the mid '90s. I had a police scanner, and I loved that thing. I programmed all the police frequencies in there, ambulance, fire trucks, local airport, you name it. I had a blast with that. Doesn't really work anymore. Everything's gone digital, and it doesn't pick up those frequencies, obviously. So, but yeah, to get back on topic here, I don't get mad. I thought about not even making this video because the best way to deal with trolls or bullies is to ignore them and not feed into it. But I didn't delete any comments on the last video. I didn't ban anybody or block them. I left the comments up to let you look foolish and look silly on there in the public. The way some of you people reacted to these Baofeng, however you want to say it, these Chinese ham radios is ridiculous. I don't know who you guys think you are in this little ham radio group. I don't get it. It's a toxic community, sadly. I was looking up on YouTube, about these things to see if I should buy it, how to work it, how to program it. It's a mess. There might be two guys out there on YouTube that have been helpful about it, and even on their channels, much bigger than my channel, uh, the comments are just insane. The toxicity, the rudeness, the brashness. It's insane. My last video, some poor lady on there. She's asking for help. She's lives on a big property. Put in the comments, she doesn't want to deal with the little, $10 Walmart ones that go like 100 feet and that's it. Or if you drop them, they shatter into a million pieces. She was asking legitimate questions. No one answered her question. It was just all BS, warnings. One guy even said, "Oh, well, you don't have a ham radio license. Well, do you drive a truck without insurance? Do you drive a truck without a driver's license or taking a test?" Oh my God. If you guys think these are as deadly as driving a truck untrained, you have problems. You're sick. Now, what am I using these for? Obviously, I'm intelligent. I'm not going to be going on local police networks or spamming it's off, or spamming every frequency out there, causing harassment, interrupting transmissions. I'm not going to do that. I got these a couple weeks ago. I used them one time. I can't even pick up my local fire department or police stations, or even the local university's police stations. Everything's digital. The only thing I can pick up on here is the local street department, and I'm not going to interfere with that. If I use these, it's the family band. Was that 460 frequency around there? No one uses it. Someone said, "Oh, they're going to catch you. The FCC. They're going to ask. Your family's going to say, how come you're in jail for 20 years? You lost the house. You have $500,000 in fines." It's ridiculous how you guys sound. Grow up. It doesn't work that way. They're just trying to scare everyone, bully, intimidate. I don't know why. The ham radio license is easy to get. I know I said in the last video I'm not going to do it. I'm done with tests. After making that video, I kind of looked online and says, maybe I will do it, but after the way you guys act, I don't want to be part of that club. I don't want to join that community. Maybe once I get that test, get my license, they put something in your brain that makes you go crazy, a berserk boomer. That's all you guys are. That's all you guys act like, are crazy boomers. Uh, Check out the comments. Please do. And if you're one of those people, comment away. I'm leaving up the embarrassing comments for the whole world to see, and your name on there, so everyone can see your stuff and how you're acting. I'm a big Star Wars fan. The Star Wars community is very toxic. Uh, even worse than that. I'm trying to find a better word, but yeah, they're very toxic. I'm a member of the community. I'm not a toxic person, but the ham radio community is 100 times worse than that. I don't know if you guys think you're in some little special clique, little special club. You guys were bullied in high school, and now since you have your own little special dorky club in your mom's basement, you think you can just, uh, bully everyone like you were bullied back in grade school. Get out of here. Go on a hike, go walking with your ham radios. Get out there, stretch your legs, lose your fat gut, get to work. The ham radio community is trash. It's toxic, and I don't want to be part of it. I'm close to throwing these away in the garbage or doing whatever to them, and just using those cheap ass $20 Walmart rate walkie talkies, because I want nothing to do with this community at all. I'm done. You're not seeing another ham radio video on this channel ever again. I'm done.